Okay guys, so for this video we're going to be making strawberry pineapple Hennessy, perfect for the summertime. So we're going to need some Hennessy. So we're going to put a shot of Hennessy into my mixer. Then we're going to go in with some pineapple juice. You might as well just, kill it. I hate people who have like a splash or something left and they just don't kill it. Like, that irritates my soul. Then we're gonna get some strawberry daiquiri mix. Next, we're going to add some ice to our glass. I'm just dropping ice, but it's okay. I'm going to clean it up later. Then we're going to add our mixture. I'm sorry, y'all. It's just so satisfying to watch like the drink come all the way to the top. Next, I have some cut up fruit that I had from a previous video. So right now, I'm just going to, if I can get my pineapple to act right, I'm just going to put it on the side to make it look fancy. And I'm going to add a strawberry right next to it to make it look even more fancy. And this is let me put my camera back so you can see. This is a strawberry Hennessy drink. So the reveal of, I said reveal like I'm about to reveal something. The outcome, or however you want to word this, I cannot word it right now. But this is how my drink tastes. Obviously it tastes good because I didn't stop. I just kept going. I could have kept going if I wasn't recording. But anyways, this drink is really good. Y'all should make this drink. I don't know what else to tell y'all. Y'all should make this drink. And I made this drink for my Hennessy lovers because y'all roll deep. Make Hennessy drinks. So I made it for y'all. It's perfect for summer. A lot of y'all feel like I don't add enough Hennessy, but I'm not a Hennessy fan, so I add enough for my liking. Now, if you like Hennessy, go ahead and add 2, 3, 4 shots of Hennessy and then add your strawberry and your pineapple and all that great stuff. Do you, boo-boo. But me, I'm gonna add a shot of Hennessy because I don't like Hennessy like that, but I could make a Hennessy drink and drink it. So I'm gonna add a shot and I'm gonna live my best life. But anyways, if you like what you see, make sure you like and subscribe. I will be doing a drink giveaway later on today. So one of my lucky subscribers, if you live in Atlanta, if you don't, and I pick you, let me know, and I'll still ship you something. It might be cookies, it might be the pickles, or it might be anything from my Instagram. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at GoodieBagsByLee. Thank you for watching.